Managing fleets is not just about tracking vehicles anymore. Most logistics businesses still struggle with manual task assignment, delayed deliveries, and zero visibility once drivers leave the warehouse. For businesses across logistics, hyperlocal delivery, food, pharma, and retail industries looking for smarter, scalable fleet management solutions, Royo Enterprises has a perfect solution. Being the tech partner of over 1,000 plus delivery startups, we offer our custom-built fleet management software and white-labeled last-mile delivery apps, built for both startups and enterprise-grade logistics. So if you're looking to build a platform designed to manage fleets, assign deliveries, optimize routes, and give you complete control from dispatch to doorstep, stay tuned with us. To start with, we'll log into the web panel that you see on the left. On the right, you can view the iPhone screen to showcase the Delivery Agent app. Once logged in, we land on the dashboard. Here, you can view all your drivers, their live locations, your teams listed on the left, and the current task statuses. Next, let's go to the profile section. This is where you'll find your company's branding, basic information, and your unique company code, useful for testing. If you're using a white-labeled version, this code won't be necessary. Now we'll move to the Customize tab. Here, you can set your company's naming preferences, localization settings, and date-time formats. You can also toggle between light and dark themes for the panel interface. Scrolling down, you'll find task completion proofs. You can configure what kind of proofs are required for each task, such as image, signature, notes, or barcode, and make them mandatory for completion. Switching back to the light theme for now. Next up is the Teams section. You can create and manage multiple teams for your delivery agents, assign agents, and customize their labels. In fact, under Customize, you can rename agents to suit your business, like drivers or service providers. We'll proceed using drivers. Now heading over to the driver section. Here's a list of all your drivers with their personal and vehicle details. On the right, you'll see each driver's accounting overview. Let's click on Michael. Agents log in using their phone number. Once entered, they'll receive an OTP via Twilio. If Twilio isn't configured, you can simply edit the driver and view the live OTP directly. Next, we'll check out geofences. You can create multiple geofences and assign agents to them. For example, we'll create one for Chandigarh. Select all drivers and set them up to receive task alerts in this region. Now moving to auto allocation, there are 4 allocation algorithms. First, choose between acknowledge mode, system assigns task directly, or accept reject. Antically can approve or decline. We'll use send to all for this demo. Here's a quick breakdown of the 4 allocation logics. 1. One-by-one tasks are sent sequentially to each age. Send to all. All eligible agents receive the task request simultaneously. 3. Batch-wise. Agents are notified in concentric radius batches with filters. 4. Round-robin. Tasks are rotated to the agent with the fewest active assignments. We're using send to all here. Let's now go to pricing rules. You'll find 3 base variables: base price, base duration, base distance. These define the initial offering based on the units and currency set earlier in the Customize panel. You can also configure cancellation fees and set pricing for extra duration or distance beyond the base. You can also define agent commissions based on the pricing, whether your drivers are employees or freelancers, set under the driver section. Now let's check out the configure screen. This is essential during initial setup. You'll need to input Google Maps configuration, Twilio keys, SMTP credentials for sending notifications via SMS, email. Next is the analytics section. You get a heat map showing zones of high delivery activity, along with insights into top agents and top customers. Let's head to notifications. Here, you can define when recipients get notified via SMS, email, or both, and even customize the message content. Let's now try adding a new route. We'll create a new customer, although you can reuse saved profiles. We'll set their home location and optionally their work location. Let's enable auto allocation. Since we selected Send to All, agents are notified instantly, as seen here with the notification sound. Now let's try manual allocation using a previous customer. We'll add a few more tasks to explore route optimization. As we click on the task notification, tasks are updated. We now have 2 active routes. Let's view them in the Routes tab. Each task comes with its own tracking URL, and pricing is calculated automatically. We'll now return to the dashboard to view the assigned tasks. Michael is assigned to both tasks. Let's now optimize the route. You can set start date and time, average time spent per task, breaks, start location, live or manual. You can also mark a specific task to be completed first. This blue line shows the optimized route. The system calculated a 24-mile route with task 1 closest to the driver. Let's start the task. As the task is completed, the system sends real-time SMS and email alerts to customers. Once completed, the agent uploads proofs, like signatures, photos, and notes. This data is instantly saved and visible in the route section. You can view the submitted proofs here. Additionally, our platform seamlessly integrates with third-party APIs, making it compatible with your existing tech stack. Thus, you can embed it into your current logistics software to enable last-mile delivery or pickup and drop-off functionality instantly. Want to see how our fleet management software can do wonders for your business? Visit the link in description and book a free one-on-one consultation call with our experts right away.